Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Martin's Holiday Daiq, or if you'd rather, Martin's Christmas Daiq. In order to make this drink, I'm going to start with the Christmas syrup because this is thick stuff. I don't want to get all of it out of the jigger. So I'm going to put in 1 ounce. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And I do make my own Christmas syrup. It is based on cranberries, mint, and rosemary. The recipe is here on the channel if you would like to check that out. In fact, if you're going to make this recipe, you kind of got to check it out. Unless you can find this on the store, in which case let me know because I have not seen it. Next, lime juice. Half an ounce of lime juice, which is 15 milliliters. Finally, the rum agricole. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters of rum agricole. Add your ice. And give it a shake. I'm going to double strain this into my coupe. Spill a little bit, of course. That is for the cocktail gods. And the Christmas syrup does have a little bit of pectin in it, which is why we're having a little trouble with the straining here. I think that'll do. Now, garnish. I'm going to give you some options for garnish. Lime wheel would be perfectly appropriate. A sprig of mint, because there's mint in the Christmas syrup. Cranberries, if you have some of those on a little skewer, would be great. Again, cranberry syrup. Or, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a rosemary sprig. I just drop it in like that. And there you have it. Martin's Christmas or Martin's Holiday Daiq.